Hey, fifth grade. Today we're looking at the Proclamation of 1763. The objective is that you will have an understanding of the role of the Proclamation of 1763 played in the Revolutionary War. All right, and today is our second stop on the Revolutionary War trail. We looked at the French and Indian War, the 7-Year War, which was actually longer than 7 years. And today we're looking at the Proclamation of 1763. The Proclamation of 1763. Proclamation just means official statement of announcement made by a person in power. And as you can see here, the boundaries that I outlined in red here, this is the boundary for the Proclamation line of 1763. So the boundary between Mississippi River and the 49th parallel, uncertain due to the misconception that the source of the Mississippi River lay further north. So again, this is the line of the Proclamation of 1763, and we're about to see why that's important. The Proclamation of 1763. A proclamation is defined as an official statement or announcement made by a person in power. As a result of the French and Indian War, the British drove the French out of North America. The British knew that the help they had received from the Native Americans had helped them win the war. Native Americans made it clear that they were worried about the constant stream of new settlers into the West past the Appalachian Mountains. To calm the fears of the Native Americans, King George III of England issued a royal proclamation. This proclamation was known as the Proclamation of 1763. It forbid colonists from settling west of the Appalachian Mountains. King George III and his Parliament were hoping that this proclamation would satisfy the Native Americans and reduce further Indian attacks. The Proclamation of 1763 angered the colonists. They argued that this new law showed that King George III of England was on the side of the Indians. Many colonists had already moved to the Proclamation line and were not willing to give up their land and the settlement they had already created. So the Proclamation of 1763 ultimately failed because of these reasons. All right, now you will use this page to help you answer these questions. If there are any words that you need help with or anything that you need me to, anything that you need help with, you just reach out and let me know.